Welcome to Tom's Hardware and to this month's selection of Raspberry Pi projects. From invigorating old hardware to making magic wands, the sky's the limit when it comes to the amazing DIY projects you can make with a popular SBC. We're thrilled to share with you some novel creations from makers around the world. They use all the best Raspberry Pi accessories and hats to create wonders that'll get your mind racing. If you're looking for something fun to tinker with and bring to life, then these amazing projects will give you some serious ideas. Let's take a look at one of the best creations we've come across in the last month. Darko Mesaros has combined the power of the Raspberry Pi with an exceedingly old TRS-80 Model 102 to successfully run the Kubernetes platform. This kind of project requires a fair bit of expertise, and the Pi is the perfect SBC to bridge the gap between the 30-year-old computer and up-to-date software like Kubernetes. If coding's not your cup of tea, then get ready to make a little magic with the help of Raspberry Pi. Makers are combining Kano wands with a custom Python script to interact with the ever-popular Hogwarts Legacy on PC. All you need to make this project possible is a Raspberry Pi and accessories, and a Pi connected to the PC via Bluetooth will translate gesture inputs into spell-casting key presses. And it's not just fun and games with the Raspberry Pi. If you're in the market for a NAS device on a budget, then look no further. Michael Clements has used one of our favorite SBCs and created a NAS from scratch run by a Raspberry Pi 02W and a 128GB micro USB flash drive. To complete the look, he designed and printed a nice little case for his build. Have an old tube TV lying around? Well, Jeff Jedden has the project for you. He breathes new retro-style life into old sets with a Raspberry Pi. Rather than using it to stream content, it instead scrolls weather data, news and other text across the screen. This provides a unique solution to the all-too-common problem of what to do with old technology. We've also got some of our own ideas to help you explore the world of Raspberry Pi. Tom's Hardware has many guides to take you through the process of creating some of our favorite projects, including tips on how to install Tiny 11 on Raspberry Pi 4 and to get the best performance out of your Pi. With a few simple steps and the right accessories, you'll have a cool custom build that'll make you the envy of your friends. So grab your Raspberry Pi and get crafting. Choose from the best projects we've come across in the last month and see where your imagination takes you. It doesn't matter if you're looking to jump into coding or if you'd like to take old technology and make it modern, the Raspberry Pi is ready and waiting to bring your ideas to life. Thanks for tuning in, and we can't wait to see what projects you create.